Well, a scene like this would not be surprising to see with what's in the forecast for Friday. Beware of flooded cars making their way to a car lot near you. Carfax estimates there are 454,000 flooded cars in use nationwide. Most of them won't be flagged as a flooded car.
In the event of a big flooding event, there are scammers who sometimes go into neighborhoods and pay cash for cars, so it's never reported to insurance or anyone else. That's why it's crucial to do a thorough search and have a thorough exam of it.
The best advice anytime you're buying a used car, have it checked out by a third-party mechanic. They can spot the signs of a flooded car. And I got to tell you, the numbers show you shouldn't take any chances with any used car. Carfax data estimates in North Carolina alone, there are 14,300 water-damaged cars, all from the end of 2023.